The National Weather Service in Albuquerque has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for west central San Miguel County in northeastern New Mexico until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time. At 3:26 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located over Romeroville, or near Las Vegas, moving southeast at 15 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Las Vegas, Romeroville, Tecolote, San Agustin, Los Montoyas, and Ojitos Frios. This includes the following highways: State Road 518 near mile marker 1. State Road 283 between mile markers 1 and 4. Interstate 25 between mile markers 333 and 350. State Road 65 near mile marker 1. State Road 104 between mile markers 1 and 9. Accumulations of hail on roads can create very slick and hazardous driving conditions. Motorists can expect brief but sudden changes in visibility and ponding of water on roadways as storms move through the area. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 4:15 p.m. Mountain Daylight Time for the following county: San Miguel, New Mexico. Flash flood warning for the Hermit Peak County.